Hey everyone, today we are doing something a bit different. From last year, I am noticing this apricot tree is not growing very well here. So, I am going to shift this apricot tree to a new location where it will have more space to grow. Alright, carefully dig around the base of tree. I am trying to keep as many roots intact as possible because this will help the tree adjust better once. Here we are at the new location. Now I need to dig a big hole that is wide and deep enough for the roots to settle in. I want to make sure that the tree sits at the same level as it was before. It is really important to avoid bury it too deep or too shallow. And now the finishing touch, a gorgeous amount of water. This is really important. It helps to settle the soil around the roots and give the tree a boost to start recovering from the move. Alright, we all are done. This tree is in its new home, and with some regular watering, it should adjust just fine. I can't wait to see it grow here.